Welcome to a moment of history. This is the 5th season of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League presented by the so-called Ballers. And this is Division A Championship. One game, one champion. Both teams playing with their best players around. So there will be no excuses and there will be no hesitations. Indeed, one team is the champion. Let's talk about both teams. Let's start with Pakrim, the challenger. Pakrim, they will be playing and they'll be leading with the Bacani brothers, especially Jaron and Glenn Bacani, as well as their point guard, Court General Ariel Huyang Takashi Parungaw, as well as dynamic scorer RJ Reyes. On the other end, for DPWH, they are the defending champions, who are the players to watch out here for. Of course, you have their scorer, the daredevil himself, Bong Fernandez. You also have Aaron Musni, their backcourt tandem, and of course shooter Derek Valdez, as well as their rookie sensation Alexander Pader, who can score and light it up. His career high so far is 31 points. So let's see. As we come back, we will start with the opening tip-off. This is your Division A Championship, Interlodge Mason Basketball League. Ludwig Van Magic Man, your host MC for today. As we are moments away for this most anticipated game between the Pakrim and the defending champs DPWH, as we go to the opening tip-off, our referees for today will be calling the shots. Referee Marcus Reed and Juan Davis for today. All right, and our committee for today is Harlem Ruiz and Jessel Navalka to be our stats guy. So let's go to the opening tip-off. And of course, a special shout out to the sitting master of Sunnyside Lodge, Rishi Rani Santiago. It's nice to see you, Rishi Rani, supporting our league. And all brothers, all Masons here. So we go to the opening tip-off. The starting lineup for both teams. Pakrim wearing white jersey, RJ Reyes, Ariel Parungaw, Jaron and Glenn Bacani, together with Ralph Dukusin. This is a surprise starting lineup for Pakrim, as Dukusin usually comes to the bench, but DPWH starting with Jason Mayo, Alexander Pader, Bong Fabio, Bong Fernandez, and Aaron Musni. And here we go for the opening tip-off. Some explosions as Jaron Bacani makes the first basket. Well, that was a quick action move there by Pakrim. As first crack at the basket, Bong Fernandez. Fabio, hesitation, and he cracks it down as he drills it from long distance. Fabio showing why they are the champs. Jaron comes up empty. Bong Fernandez to Pader, rookie sensation this time. He lost it and he lost control there. But that was a good attempt from Bong Fernandez. No? He's a playmaker, and this is the run and gun offense from DPWH. And also surprising for DPWH, one of their tactics today, they're not starting Derek Valdez, who is their strict shooter, so they will be using that high-octane fast break transition offense. Fernandez with a spin move and powering his way inside. Bong Fernandez, the daredevil, prolific scorer. Bong Fernandez 5-2. Well, the first time both teams met, DPWH escaping with a buzzer beater from Derek Valdez. So let's see if they can duplicate that performance, then it is no fluke that indeed they are the champions. But Paklim, they believe that they are just head-to-head matching up with the defending champs. 5-2, Aaron Musni sizing up. Ariel Parungaw, the double team comes. Glenn Bacani, Mayo making a move, traveling violation on Jason Mayo. Fresh from his deployment, Jason Mayo. Mukhang galing pa sa Iraq Iran pala, di pala Iraq. Jason Mayo. See, all business here for Jason Mayo. High-low. And he stepped on the line. Ryan Malone is, of course, one of my favorite players from Paklim. No bias ako dito, pero one of my favorites si Ryan Malone. No? One-on-one. Harassing defense, and Jaron Bacani with the anticipation. And in and out for Jaron Bacani. Bong Fabio again lighting it up this time. Good position by Glenn Bacani as he was able to box out properly Pader on that particular instance. What a ball game so far. Explosions in the first quarter alone. Remember, this is 4 quarters of 12 minutes. And again, no errors. Or at least try to minimize the errors because this is the championship. One game. We have one chance. One moment to wrap it up and show us who's the best team here in this tournament. Well, as we mentioned, we play our best, but at the same time, play competitive, but play clean, no? Physicality is part of the ball game, but no dirty plays, no? 8 minutes and 13 remaining. Substitution as Makalintal will provide some rebounding presence because of the height advantage of Paklim. Parungaw, quick ball movement, and Mayo will be called for the foul. What an exciting ball game here as early as the first quarter. Both teams trading punches here, sizing each other up. But they're gauging each other here, no? Both heavyweights. Let's see who will deliver the knockout blow. Both have the capabilities, no? It could have gone either way in their first matchup. Drop pass. Parungaw slicing his way inside the paint. Amazing move from Ariel Parungaw. 5-4. 7 minutes and 36. Makalintal catch and shoot with a turnaround. Battle for the loose ball. It will go to Jaron Bacani, embracing it. RJ Reyes crossing the timeline. Maneuvering as he hit the wall. Jason Mayo standing his ground there. And that shows the upper body strength of Jason Mayo in the paint. 7 minutes and 9. Musni using the screen from Makalintal. Musni lets it fly and got the shooter's bounce from Aaron Musni, making it a 4-point lead, 8-4. Well, as they say, no? All championship leads, all roads lead to the championship will go through the hands of DPWH, no? Because they're the defending champs and they're showing us why. And Paklim, if they want to come out of the gates, they need to play extra hard here. Bong Fernandez will challenge Glenn Bacani, and Bong Fernandez using his speed and quickness. Well, that guy is difficult to stop, no? On the free throw line is Bong Fernandez.
Nice, huh?
And while he's on the line, this is the best time for us to thank our sponsors. We have Abundant Life Home Care Service, Ivy Hospice Care Incorporated, and St. Grace Home Health, together with Sriracha
Than the medal.
Philippines by JD Reyes. And of course, if you want to have your car washed today, no, while you're watching the game, you have the F&J car wash right outside of the court as he makes one of two for Bong Fernandez, and Jaron Bacani with a jump hook, 9-6. Aaron Musni will slow the tempo down using the screen from Bong Fabio. Mayo puts it up and Jason Mayo all net. 12-6, 5 minutes and 13. Pakrim down by 6, and again Glenn Bacani managing to make that basket. That was a tough shot against Jason Mayo. Aaron Musni pulls the trigger, battle for the loose ball against two defenders. RJ Reyes against two big guys, Makalintal and Mayo. Well, you gotta appreciate the effort of RJ Reyes there, battling for the loose ball against two guys. And now deploying more ceiling for DPWH is Marov Marfil. And look at the physique of Marfil. And now additional firepower as Carl Santiago, the X-factor of their playoff game against MOT, is in the ballgame together with Paraiso. No opening, quick passing. 4 minutes and 10. We are looking at a 12-8 score. Pakrim down by 4. Makalintal. No opening. They gave it to Marfil. Marfil bumping and grinding. Foul will be called against Jaron Bacani as he got the piece of the hand against Marfil. Look at Marfil. The physique. Mukhang kailangan na ipasok si Ryan Malones eh. And the intensity of the ball game, Marfil makes the basket. And he misses the second one, 1 out of 2. 13-8. And look at the first quick step of Ariel Parungao, delivering it to Jaron Bacani with the reverse underneath the basket. Scoops it 13-10. Single possession, separating both teams. Musni against Parungao, showing us his handles. Navigating. Marfil, short step jumper. Bacani stolen away by Carl Santiago. Bacani, active hands, finds Dukusin, and Dukusin delivers. 13-12, the crowd with their lungs out here shouting for Pakrim. What a ball game as early as the first quarter. Both teams scramble for the loose ball. Aaron Musni slashing inside. As free throws will be rewarded to Musni. Remember, this is still running time until the fourth quarter. So even they're taking the free throw, we only stop the time during timeouts. As Musni makes the first basket. Still in the driver's seat, DPWH. DPWH is composed of different lodges. Sunnyside Lodge, Beverly Hills Lodge. While for Pakrim, they are solid in their lodge. 14-12. A chance for Pakrim to tie the ball game or grab the lead. Let's see, what will they do here? They go at the post. Dukusin, no opening. Reyes fires away. It bounces off. Paraiso, stolen away. And Jaron Bacani again delivering the knockout blow. 14, they're tied at 14.
Yes, huwag mo nalabas yung sito niya ako. Hindi, Worsi kasi may isang to eh. Hindi, huwag mo lang yung laan. Huwag mo yung siwas.
Prior to lang, kasi ko na lang, sorry nga eh. Pero wala lang sa akin.
Pagtatawagin mo kami, tawagan mo rin sila.
Oo, hindi, kinasabi ko lang po kasi may isang tayo. Wala sa akin. Ito mo nga nila. Pagkatamaan mo nga eh.
Christian!
Call yung 19 ka naman dito.
We are only here in the first quarter. We still have 3 quarters and the intensity is rising up here. What a ball game. We are live here in Carson City. SoCal Ballers 21 on YouTube. What a ball game so far. Both teams evenly matched. And who will prevail? 1 game, 1 championship, Division A, best of the best. And Fernandez will go to the line. $50 seconds left. As Fernandez misses. Fernandez misses. And we are tied at 14. And another free throw will be given here for DPWH. Marcus Reed. Tempers flaring here. What a ball game. Are you not entertained? This is Division A basketball. Timeout will be called by Pac-Rim. Our score is 15-14 with 4 seconds left. Pac-Rim calling a timeout. What a ball game. We'll be right back. Nasaan si Bash? Nasaan si Bash? Ayun, naharap ko si Bash eh. Baka magselo si brother Ryan Malones yan eh. Si Ryan Malones ang paborito ko eh. Second ka lang ha, second. Second ka lang. Si Ryan Malones pa ang paborito ko. Back to the ball game. 3 seconds left. They will throw a runner for Glenn Bacani. And that's the end of the first quarter. 15-14 in favor of the defending champs, DPWH. Against Pac-Rim. We'll be right back with the second quarter. Stay tuned, everyone. What a ball game.
Siyempre ko, Sizzle ah. Tignan mo ah. Wala ako ng pera eh. Kung tatawag ka na attention dito, tumawag ka.
Hindi po, tinatawag ko nga po sila eh.
Pagkahanap ang may bias eh.
Hindi nga, tinatawag ko nga sila eh. Kasi pag tinaas mo yung kamay, worship, pag tinamaan mo yun, mahirap yun.
Ganun din sila.
Lalo nandito kasi sa video. Sinasabi ko nga sa kanila eh.
Matt, happy birthday ron. Oo. Nag-isakad ako mamaya. Kanina ko ito. Ipapaano ko kay Jeron.
Bro, quarter.
After that, may lakad ako. Pati siya. Papamessage natin.
Gusto ko sa'yo ano eh. Eh, kasi alam mo. Hey, back to the ball game. Back to business muna. Fernando with a spin move. Squeezing himself against 2 defenders. Reyes and Bacani with a stare down from Glenn Bacani. What a ball game. But look at Fernandez. No fear in his eyes. What a ball game. Intensity at its finest. 15-14. What a ball game. Parungao fires away, this time front rim. A chance to increase the lead for DPWH. Derek Valdez checking in for the first time here in this ball game. Well, he's a deadly shooter. That's why look at the defense of Ariel Parungao, not allowing any comfort zone for Valdez. Carl Santiago takes it closer against the double team. Air ball. Look at the baseball pass and look at Bong Fernandez taking it away. Fernandez. Derek Valdez squares up. Bong Fernandez offensive board and foul will be called on Glenn Bacani. Baseline throw. And battle for the loose ball. Animosity, chaos on the floor. Substitution. Bacani with 2 fouls. And here comes Ryan Malones, the enforcer, is in the ball game. Let's see if he can be a difference here. Seryoso muna tayo, no? Brother Ryan Malones, mamaya na tayo maglokohan. 10 minutes lang. Using the screen, Parungaw, drop pass. Look at Malones providing some quality minutes here from Mr. Malones. 16 to 15. Well, that's what we're talking about. No? The off the bench scoring will play a factor here in this ball game. The physicality between Dokusin and Fernandez. That's a matchup we need to see. Dokusin, known for his defensive presence. And look at Ryan Malones, both ends of the floor, defensive and offensive end. Will he be the MVP indeed here? And look at the challenge from Malones. This guy has been lifting them up. RJ Reyes inspired by the moves of Ryan Malones. Bote with a fresh shot clock. Parungaw, half-court set. Reyes against Fernandez with a hand on his face. And look at again Ryan Malones. This time it hits on board. Carl Santiago against Reyes, almost losing the handle, recovers it.
Sub.
What a ball game. Are you not entertained? Santiago will rest for Aaron Musni. We are jam-packed here in Foysia Park, Carson City. Skip pass. Musni momentarily wide open. And Parungaw controlling the rebound. 16 to 15. Parungaw lets it fly. And Mayo. Valdez with a hand on his face and burning the tray for Derek Valdez. You don't let that guy shoot or he will put the bullseye target right in front of you. And now they grab the lead back once again, 18 to 16. Well, small mistake, no? You don't let Derek Valdez shoot. Just a simple opening, he will capitalize on that. RJ Reyes with a spin against the double team. And look at that! RJ Reyes. Fantastic move by RJ Reyes, putting on the hammer against two defenders. Derek Valdez again with the challenge from Ryan Malones, and Ryan Malones bothering Derek Valdez there. Mayo, second serving against, look at all over the floor, Ryan Malones, but Mayo powering his way in the interior. What a ball game, 20 to 18. The PWH still in command. Pakrim looking at a zone defense at the middle. Parungaw comes up short. Fernandez able to save it, however it goes to the other side. Pedal on the metal, steps on the gas for RJ Reyes. And foul will be called on Jason Mayo. Jason Mayo, that's his second personal foul on Jason Mayo. So it's equal, no? Jason Mayo on the other end, Glenn Bacario has two fouls.
Iba yun, ayun na.
Baseline, Malones.
Ilan foul? Dalawa pa lang.
High post. Dokusin will slow the tempo as he's managing and facilitating here. Dokusin, no look pass. Reyes on the attack. Bote. No shooter's bounce for him. But that was a good attempt. He got an open look. And look at Fernandez with a dribble drive. And he will go to the line. Well, that's the thing about DPWH now. You've got guys who are aggressive, especially on the fast break. You've got Musni, you've got Fernandez, you have Pader.
Second shot.
So, Fernandez on the line.
Bakani. Dalawang Bakani, tatlo.
Dalawa.
Go.
The stakes are high here. This is Division A basketball. The best of the best here in your Interlodge Mason Basketball League. Who will come out on top? We will all find out. Comes up short. 21 to 18. Malones throws a strong pass. 3-on-2 situation. Valdez wide open. Derek Valdez this time offline for Derek Valdez. And Marfil and Reyes in the paint battling inside. And ball will remain with DPWH with 4 minutes and 55. Precious seconds here being wiped off. Valdez again. Open. And Reyes counter-attack. Parungao high off the glass and Marfil secures the board. Aaron Musni able to deflect his defender. It bounces off and look at Malones against the bigger Marfil. Well, you gotta credit Ryan Malones providing quality minutes in the absence of Glenn Bacani here. Kick out. Malones all day to shoot and Ryan Malones, it bounces off. Valdez ahead of everyone but waits for his teammates. Marfil comes up short with a open court and coming from behind is Ryan Malones. 3 fouls
Iba
for
yung isa eh. Yung
Marfil.
isa oh. Ibang tao po yun eh. Ibang tao yun oh. Ayun yung taong isa oh. Ayun yung isang tao oh. Nasa labas.
3 minutes and 39. What a ball game. Both teams want that championship. Reyes with a spin. Look at the footwork of RJ Reyes. And RJ Reyes gets the shooter's bounce, making it a 1-point game, 21-20. Well, that guy is almost unstoppable, no? Reminds me of JC Intal, that rocket, no? Exploding to the basket. The double team between Parungao and Jarod Bacani. Picking up Fabio High, man-to-man defense. And Makalintal escaping and creating some space for Hendrik Makalintal. 23-20, 3-point game again. DPWH just above water here. Reyes decides to take it by himself. Jarod Bacani for the cleanup. And will go to the line and will shoot two.
Second shot, 18-1.
Foul on Makalintal. How many fouls does Makalintal have? 2 personal fouls on Hendrik Makalintal.
Hindi ako yung foul ko.
2, I think. And Jarod Bacani mix with Glenn Bacani in the ballgame, the Bacani brothers. Well, we haven't seen the alley-oop pass between the two guys, no? But credit the defense of DPWH for making it difficult for those brothers. This is second quarter, I believe so. With 2 minutes remaining here. We are just first half. Who will give in and who will rise above the pressure? Using the screen, Aaron Musni sees daylight and Aaron Musni exploding with a trifecta, making it a 4-point game, 26-22 Pakrim. Well, they need to find some answers here against the full range jumpers of DPWH. Drop pass to Kusin and RJ Reyes keeping his team alive here. Back-to-back points coming from him. 1 minute and 21. Valdez, Fabio at the middle. Man-to-man. Makalintal, pump fake. And look at the smart play of Fernandez. He knows he has the advantage. Free throws will be given to Bong Fernandez. .52 seconds left here in this second quarter. Bong Fernandez makes the first basket. And making it a 4-point game. 28 seconds left. Parungao being pressured by Makalintal and Fernandez. and Makalintal with the foul. 3 personal fouls on Makalintal. And timeout will be called by DPWH. Our score is 28-24. The defending champs up by 4.
First time ako yan. Dalawa na sila. Dalawa na lang. Isa na lang.
Ilan na pa mo? Paruao, can he cut the lead down? Let's see. Championship game.
Boss,
One
dito kayo
game
mag-check
to
ng
win
fouls.
it all.
Dito kayo mag-check ng fouls.
Paruao missing his first free throw. Well, the small things, no? In a championship game, the small things count, no? Those missed free throws, those missed challenges, and that separates the champion from the contenders. Fernandez, look at the torpedo move, blocked by RJ Reyes, stopping that play. And at the end of the first half, it is DPWH up by 3, 28-25 against Pac-Rim. We'll be right back with the second half action. This is your Interlodge Mason Basketball League Division A Championship. We'll be right back.
Binaba ko muna ito, Brad, kasi pag ipandun, pumupula eh. Pumupula pag ano. Boss, wag ka tatawid.
Welcome back to the continuing coverage of the Interlodge Mason Basketball League Season 5 Championship Division A as DPWH looking to get a back-to-back victory while Pac-Rim trying to dethrone the defending champs. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van Magic Man, together with our committee for today, Harlan Ruiz of Clarkson Smith Daylight Lunch number 866 and Jessel Navalta, Tito Jessel Navalta. With the referees for today, Marcus Reed leading the officials. Derek Valdez will wait for his teammates. Taking care of a 3-point game. Well, as you can see, both teams are evenly matched up here. The highest lead was at 4, no? So it means that Valdez, this time, no good. Well, as we mentioned, no, both teams are evenly matched, no? They have scorers, they have big guys on the floor. For Pac-Rim, they've got Jerome Bacani, while for DPWH, a lot of run and gun players. Aaron Mustin, Carl Santiago, and Ben Fernandez. RJ Reyes lets it fly from top of the key, tying the ball game up at 28. 10 minutes and 30. Pac-Rim, can they do and finish the mission? 10 minutes and 21. Valdez pulls the trigger, air ball. And a chance for Pac-Rim to take the driver's seat here if they convert. Paruao will survey the floor. RJ Reyes, who has been streaking hard, and RJ Reyes, 6 points in 6 seconds. What a performance from RJ Reyes, leading his team to the glory road with 9 minutes and 45. Aaron Musni will try to answer back too strong. Jeron Bacani to his brother Glenn. RJ Reyes, 3-point shots and ice in his veins. Stone cold. RJ Reyes, hot-handed, cold-blooded. We'll be right back Pakrim up by 6, 34-28. We'll be right back after this timeout.
Okay, time out. Time out. Oo, DP. Pag nakaharap dito to, yun yung time out. Oo, dapat Oo nga, hindi pag nakaharap yung camera.
Pero may cluster pa.
Back to the action. Pakrim up by 6, 34-28. RJ Reyes has been sizzling hot here in the second quarter. They need to put the clamps down here for DPWH if they want to retain the crown. Let's see. Fernandez against Dokusin. Sees an opening from the elbow and he hits it from mid-range. Bong Fernandez, 4-point game. Parang now against Fabio. Sizing his defender. And kick ball from Fabio.
Pwede, pwede.
Reyes. Bacani. Reyes from way downtown. And he checked for RJ Reyes. That could have been his fourth three-point shot here. 8 minutes and 42. Fernandez. Pulls back. He will try his own version. Glenn Bacani. And DPWH starting to be rattled here. But this is still very early. This is still third quarter. Reyes. And miscommunication between Reyes and Bacani. Musni. Using the screen from Fabio. Marfil comes up short with a jump hook. RJ Reyes able to cross the half court. Glenn Bacani delivers it to Dokusin. And foul will be called on Glenn Bacani. That's his third personal foul on Glenn Bacani. Bong Fernandez, coast to coast, kicks it out. Muslim. Fast and furious tandem.
19 block. 19 block. 19 block daw.
Oh, it will go to Pakrim. Oh. Possession arrow points to Pakrim. A chance for them to make it to a 6 points or a 7-point lead. Parungaw will try to set the half court. And play was stolen away, but RJ Reyes recovering it. Hesitation, change of pace against three defenders for Jeron Bacani. Foul on Marfil. That's his
5 pounds.
5 fouls on Marfil.
Championship pala.
Ay, isa pa.
5 fouls, but 6 fouls before he foul out. Hindi pa foul out, ha? 6 fouls. We have 6 fouls before you foul out.
Championship 6 fouls.
5
5
fouls.
yun.
Fabio ba? Foul?
Hintayin nyo kung sinong kan ikukukan ng
Fabio is
referee
the
bago
one-
nyo i-announce para hindi may mag-complain ng mga yan.
Jeron Bacani. So si Fabio bang foul?
Hintayin nyo muna ang kabayo
Yung
i-announce
19,
kung sinong
19.
foul.
Thank you si Marfil.
Martin, 5 fouls.
So that's 5 fouls on Marfil. And he misses both. Golden opportunity missed there from Jeron Bacani with 5 minutes and 52.
Tawag sa streamer, right?
Let's see if they can cut it down. Valdez, Mayo can't get his man off the air. Jason Mayo maneuvering his way with that spin move. Well, Glenn Bacani is tied down now because he is in foul trouble, so he cannot be physical against Jason Mayo. And Jason Mayo knows that, so he took advantage with 5 minutes and 24. Crossover, Reyes. Pump fake, Jeron. Pulls back. Again, RJ Reyes. No shooter's bounce this time. 5 minutes and 7. Squeezing himself and slashing. Daredevil. Bong Fernandez. What a move. Greatness from Fernandez. He was able to
Ilan pa tayo mo?
Dalawa pa.
Dalawa pa?
And timeout will be called by Pakrim. And we are tied at 34. We'll be right back after this timeout. What a ball.
Si Makalintal.
Nagka mo rin yung setting master ng Pacific Rim si Ed Pangaliban.
And while he is at the free throw line, this is the best time for us to welcome our guests. Of course, sitting master of Pakrim, we welcome Worshipful Master Ed Panganiban. No? So we welcome you here. Palakpakan naman natin si Worshipful Master Ed Panganiban. No? We are grateful for your presence, as well as, of course, sitting master of Sunnyside Lodge, Worshipful Rani Santiago, as the spin move from RJ Reyes. What a move from RJ Reyes. Phenomenal. RJ Reyes as they take the lead back 36 to 34. RJ Reyes putting up those beautiful moves in front of us. Jeron Bacani, no one to bother him, but Derek Valdez coming up late with the defense, but still able to bother him with that challenge. And that's the thing about closing out. Huh? You still try to close out. Mayo gets his own miss. And with the shooter's bounce for Jason Mayo.
Pasok.
And he will go to the line. And a chance for DPWH
Bagdaw foul.
to take back the driver's seat. Or not counted ba? Not counted. Basket count. Basket count.
Basket nga.
According to the referees, basket count. 3 minutes and 19. Valdez, corner 3. And look at the rebound from RJ Reyes. He has been the main man so far for Pakrim,
Number 10 foul.
putting up Superman effort here for RJ Reyes, carrying his team on his back. One-on-one between the main man of both teams, Fernandez and Reyes. Marquee matchup. Parungaw. Bagao is in the ball game as well to provide some quality minutes. Dukusin, left wide open. Comes up short. RJ Reyes again to save the day. But this time, Mayo pulls down another board. Musni will challenge the smaller Ariel. Parungaw hits board. And we'll go to the line for Aaron Musni. We are tied at 36.
Anong tawag yung kanina? Shot tapos labas nila. Anong violation?
Inbound sa kabila.
Bakit anong violation? Dapat free throw yun. Bakit ganun? Anong violation yun?
Free throws will be given to Aaron Musni with 2 minutes left. Aaron Musni misses the first shot. Carl Santiago
bang tables, time out? Yung kayo magtawag? Pwede.
Bagao. 1 minute and 35. We are tied at 36. Reyes setting the table. Lets it fly. It's all board for Jerome Bacani. Sees Taylor drop pass. And Bong Fernandez will score. And now DPWH up by 238 to 36 with 1 minute and 14 left. Two-man game between Musni and Fernandez. And look at Barungao takes it closer for Bagao. Two free throws will be rewarded for Pakrim. Down on the floor, Jason Mayo.
Mayo.
Jason Mayo, how many fouls?
3.
3 personal fouls on Jason Mayo. Baseline throw. At the middle, the precinct. And free throws will be given to Eric Bagao. "15 seconds left. Bagao makes the basket. And since this is running time, they will let Eric Bagao shoot the free throw. Can he tie it? Let's see. And Bagao misses the second free throw at the end of the third quarter. It is DPWH up by 138 to 37. Pakrim, can they dethrone the defending champs or DPWH go back to back with the championship? We'll find out in the fourth and final quarter.
Ano rayon ko yan?
Orji. Kainit.
Hindi na nakapag-halftime show si Bash eh. Asa ba si Bash? Si Bash. Hindi na napagbigay yung halftime show mo eh. Masyado mainit yung laro eh.
Kaya ang ganda ang laban.
Tayo yung halftime show mo eh. Next season daw, next season.
Bro, oras.
This is the fourth and final quarter. Who will win the championship of the Division A of your Interlodge Mason Basketball League? This is a beautiful Sunday morning. I'm your host, the one and only Ludwig Van, Magic Man, and it has been a magnificent game between two contenders. And ball will go to the other side. Pakrim holding on to this game. Well, as we mentioned, both teams evenly matched up here. No team has broken away from a 4-point or a 6-point game. The highest lead was 6 points by Pakrim, but DPWH making a comeback. And now, swing of leads here as Pakrim now up by 139 to 38. The screen from Carl Santiago. Down on the floor is Ariel Parungao.
Right ball.
And it will go to Pakrim. And Parungao is limping, hoping that he's okay. They'll be needing him in this ballgame as he has been the court general so far all throughout the tournament. But this time, RJ Reyes will be their point guard. That's a tall point guard, no? Reminds me of Fernie Hardaway, no? 6'9" point guard. and can deliver and as well as score, no? Bacani, Reyes, one-on-one against Musni. And look at the physicality between Bagao and Santiago in the paint.
Number 6 foul.
Eric Bagao with the foul. Musni puts it up. And Jason Mayo was hacked by Eric Bagao. Well, as they say, that is a playoff foul, no? It's part of the ball game. Physicality is part of the ball game.
Second shot.
And we are tied again at 39 substitution. Bote is in the ball game. And Padero, limited minutes for the rookie here. Well, but this guy can explode anytime, no? AJ Padero. Let's see if he can make a difference here. In their previous game against MOT, he was one of the reasons they won that game. So let's see if we can duplicate that performance. Mayo saving that ball, and look at the hustle of Jason Mayo. However, they can't convert, but Jason Mayo again working his way inside. Let's see. As foul will be called on Aaron Musni as RJ Reyes got hit in the face. Talk about physicality here. This is the fourth quarter. We are tied at 39. Dukusin kicks it out. Glenn Bacani, way off the mark. AJ Pader, fresh off the bench, and alley-oop out in the sky for Juan Fernandez. AJ Pader with the assist. That was spectacular play as DPWH up by 241 to 39. Stuck in traffic, Dukusin finds RJ Reyes with a spin, squeezing himself inside. Aaron Musni, Juan Fernandez, and he will finish them off, making it a 4-point game, 39 to 43.
Why don't you just give it to them?
It's 7 minutes and 52. 4-point game. DPWH up by 4.
Yung ring.
Kasi pupunta lang sa table dito yung team captain. Saka yung team manager.
Yung captain. Ref.
I-announce mo na lang.
Refs, some clarifications for the referees.
Just the team captain can come and see. And talk to you.
They ask
Something, clarification.
Oh, yeah.
captain only.
Oh, yeah. Hey,
Okay.
don't go to the table. Nobody goes to the table.
Just the team captain. Team captain.
Team captain lang.
Team captain lang ang pupunta dito.
Okay, back to the action. As tempers are flaring for both teams. Well, why not? This is the championship. The stakes are high. One game, one championship to win. Who will be the best of the best here as Fernandez? Well, in this kind of ball game, you don't lose your control, no? Especially mental and physical, no? Either way, you lose if you lose your control. Pader goes baseline. And foul will be called on Glenn Bacani. Well, as we mentioned, no? Basketball is a mental game, no? So you don't... Your mental toughness will be challenged, and Gerard Bacani will be fouled, or will be called for the foul. Aaron Musni holding on to his face. Hopefully nothing serious.
Huwag mo nga. 7:01. Okay na.
39-43. What a ball game. 4-point lead being nursed here by DPWH. Using the screen, Bong Fernandez, who has been their go-to guy. AJ Pader kicks it out. Aaron Musni against Parungao. Finds Fernandez, corner 3. And DPWH again with the offensive board. And they tap it away. Jason Mayo with the second serving putback offensive rebound. Jason Mayo extending that lead to 6:39-45. What a ball game. And a bonus free throw will be given to Jason Mayo.
Ha? Hindi, psychological, bumibitaw.
Mayo completes it. 46-39. This is the highest lead for both teams. No? A while ago, Pakrim was up by 6, and this time, DPWH up by 7. Parungao, Dukusin, RJ Reyes against the double team. Fighting for the loose ball. Pader to Fernandez with a perfect, creating some space. Bong Fernandez flexing his muscles as he has been Mr. Fourth Quarter so far. Everything going in for Bong Fernandez. RJ Reyes will go to the line and shoot two. Intensity at its finest. What a ball game. RJ Reyes missing the free throw. Well, no, with 4 minutes and 31, this is still a lot of basketball to play here. It can still go either way. You just don't lose your temper, you don't lose your control. And let's see for the ref's final call. Fernandez on the line and will shoot two. With 3 minutes and 42, 8-point lead being enjoyed by DPWH. And Bong Fernandez misses his first shot. Well, this has been a mental challenge for both teams, no? Who will be mentally tough here? Against pressure, against the physicality. That is the test to be truly called a champion here in Division A. Well, Pakrim is capable, no? Like a while ago, 3 3-point shots coming from RJ Reyes and reverse from Glenn Bacani, cutting it down to 6. Oh boy, hold on to your seats. We have a ball game. 6-point lead. That is just 2 possessions separating both teams. Musni, Fabio, they kick it out again. Musni, top of the key. It bounces off. And it will go to Pakrim, a chance for them to trim down the lead. Let's see, with 2 minutes and 38, still a lot of minutes here. Well, they just need to keep their poise up here. Quick passing, here comes the ball movement of Pakrim. Dukusin launches, and Ralph Dukusin, Mr. Quality Minutes, 45-48. Well, this guy has been providing all throughout the tournament, no? The quality minutes coming up from the bench, but this time he earned the starting spot. So let's see if that will pay some dividends. 2 minutes and 8. Pressure defense. Pader, the rookie. Can he knock it down? The rookie sensation, AJ Pader. 45 to 51. Under pressure, he is performing well with 156-point lead. With 20 seconds left on the shot clock, one-on-one Fernandez against Nukuzin. Uses the screen. Fernandez, drop pass. Mayo with a jump hook, and Mayo extending the lead to 8. Reyes zigzagging his way, taking matters into his own hands, and foul will be called on Fabio. RJ Reyes on the line.
Sino ang foul?
All eyes on him.
Sino na foul? Sino yan?
10.
Fabio is fouled. RJ Reyes makes 53 to 46, and this is the only time we stop the clock, no? 46 to 53, Reyes on the line. And now it's just a 6-point lead, 53 to 47, crucial possession. Musni against Parungao. Musni trying to create some space. Kent almost a steal, diving for the loose ball. RJ Reyes. Fernandez against Nukuzin with a bump with the grind. And Fernandez again earning a trip to the charity as he forces and muscles his way in the paint. Well, they have no answers from Bong Fernandez. Now this guy still dominating and taking the game at will. 47 to 53. Well, you just don't try to let him receive the ball. No? But that's difficult. No? It's easier said than done. 53 to 47. Bong Fernandez makes the first basket. And he has been the problem that hasn't been solved by Pakrim so far. And they have shut down Derek Valdez. But Bong Fernandez is here to stay. 47 to 55. And of course, AJ Pader, no? The rookie providing some quality minutes. RJ Reyes trying to make things happen. RJ Reyes, they're still alive. 5-point game with under a minute left. 55 to 50. And they will give up the foul. It's just a 5-point game. And crucial free throws will be given to Bong Fernandez. And we are seconds away. Are we seconds away to the championship? Or will Pakrim reverse the situation? Let's see. 5-point lead. Fernandez splits his charities. And RJ Reyes rushes his way. The double team hounding him. RJ Reyes, difficult shot. Pader. And look at Ariel Parungao stopping that play, and it will go back to Pakrim. Reyes, Nukuzin, hesitation. Throws a wild shot, Ralph Nukuzin. 35 seconds left, 6-point game. DPWH. And RJ Reyes gives up the foul. Aaron Musni on the line. And he misses the first free throw, keeping the door open here for Pakrim to climb back. And he misses both! And Pakrim will call a timeout. Well, mathematically, this is still possible, no? 56 to 50. Pakrim. We will be right back after this timeout. What a ball game. .30 seconds left. Jaron Bacani creating some space for himself. AJ Pader will go all the way with some showboating here. 8 points, 58 to 50. Jason Mayo, Bong Fernandez, and it's safe to say that DBWH will go back-to-back as your champions here in Division A. Interlodge Mason Basketball. This is Season 5. Ludwig Van, Magic Man, signing off. Maraming salamat for allowing us to be your host MC for the whole tournament. And it will be an honor for me and for the rest of the crew, on behalf of Harlem Ruiz and Jason Navarta, Ludwig Van, Magic Man, ladies and gentlemen, your back-to-back champions, DBWH.
Alat, third quarter, fourth quarter. Oh, pagod.
42 na, mga 30 lang to eh.